Part 3, Preparation of haloarenes. I will teach you my personal tricks to learn important reactions like Sandmeyer reaction, Gutterman reaction, etc. First of all, let me teach you about two important compounds. The two important compounds are aniline and benzene diazonium salt. In case of aniline, I write NH2. This NH2 is bonded to benzene ring. So whenever you see that NH2 is bonded to benzene ring, it is aniline. Remember that it is primary amine. In case of benzene diazonium salt, this benzene mean benzene ring, di mean 2, azo mean nitrogen, and salt mean Cl. Thus this is the structural formula of benzene diazonium salt. If you learn the formulae of these two compounds, you can easily learn preparation of haloarenes. Now you must keep this important line in your conscious mind. We take aniline, we convert aniline to benzene diazonium salt, and then we convert benzene diazonium salt to haloarenes or aryl halides. Let me repeat it. We take aniline, we convert aniline to benzene diazonium salt, and then we convert benzene diazonium salt to haloarenes. Thus note down this important statement which will help you to master this lecture. Here we will learn conversion of aniline to benzene diazonium salt. I will teach you my personal trick to master this reaction. I take aniline. We know that in aniline, NH2 is bonded to benzene. Now listen carefully. I take this H and I write it here. This N and 2 reminds me NO2. We know that hydrogen doesn't exist separately. For this hydrogen, I write Cl, and for this NO2, I write Na. Remember that the temperature is 0 to 5 degrees centigrade. As a result, we get benzene diazonium salt. And benzene diazonium salt N2Cl is bonded to benzene ring. Note it down that only primary amine forms benzene diazonium salt. Thus remember this very important conversion of aniline into benzene diazonium salt. Now we will learn preparation of haloarenes through Sandmeyer reaction and Gutterman reaction. We already learned that we take aniline, we convert aniline to benzene diazonium salt, and then we convert benzene diazonium salt to haloarenes. In case of Sandmeyer reaction, I take benzene diazonium salt, and we will convert this benzene diazonium salt to haloarenes. We know that in benzene diazonium salt, N2Cl is bonded to benzene. Here, this 2Cl reminds me to write chlorine 2 times. Now to counter this negative ion, I place here hydrogen. We know that nitrogen is the best leaving group, but this nitrogen needs some electrons. So I take cuprous ion, which provides electron to nitrogen. Thus I take cuprous chloride and HCl. As a result of this reaction, I get chlorobenzene plus nitrogen gas. Thus in Sandmeyer reaction, we convert benzene diazonium salt to chlorobenzene. Now we will prepare bromobenzene using Sandmeyer reaction. We already know that we take benzene diazonium salt and we convert it to haloarene. Here, I take this benzene diazonium salt. This 2 chlorine reminds me to write 2 times chlorine. But here, I am interested to form bromobenzene. So instead of these 2 chlorine ions, I write bromine 2 times. Now to counter this negative bromine ion, I place here hydrogen. We know that nitrogen is a good leaving group, but it needs electrons. I place here cuprous ion because cuprous ion will provide electrons to this leaving group. As a result of this reaction, I get bromobenzene plus nitrogen gas. To conclude this whole slide, we learn that in Sandmeyer reaction, we take benzene diazonium salt and we convert this benzene diazonium salt to chlorobenzene and bromobenzene. Now we will learn Gutermann reaction. Well, Gutermann reaction is the complete copy of Sandmeyer reaction, except we replace cuprous chloride by copper powder. For example, we already learned that in Sandmeyer reaction, we convert benzene diazonium salt to chlorobenzene or bromobenzene. I write the Sandmeyer reaction. Now I replace cuprous chloride by copper powder in both the reaction. So everything just boomed. Thus noted down Sandmeyer reaction and Gutermann reaction. Finally, we will learn preparation of fluorobenzene and iodobenzene. To prepare iodobenzene, we take benzene diazonium salt and we add potassium iodide to it. We shake this mixture. As a result, we get iodobenzene. Thus, we form iodobenzene from benzene diazonium salt by shaking it with potassium iodide. Secondly, we prepare fluorobenzene by Bals-Schiemann reaction. I take benzene diazonium salt. Here, I teach my personal trick. I say, Bals-Schiemann has no boyfriend. Let me repeat it. Bals-Schiemann has no boyfriend. I place here hydrogen and 2. I also place here hydrogen. Thus, these are the ingredients of Bals-Schiemann reaction. I mean, one is fluoroboric acid and another is nitrous acid. As a result, we get fluorobenzene and nitrogen gas. Thus, we prepare fluorobenzene by adding fluoroboric acid and nitrous acid to benzene diazonium salt. Therefore, using my personal tricks, you can easily prepare any haloarine.